Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Alchemy on the piano. To start, ensure you have proper posture, sitting comfortably with relaxed shoulders and arms. Place your hands gently on the keyboard, allowing your fingers to curve naturally. Find middle C, which is often marked, as this note will serve as your central reference point for navigating the keys. This foundational step is crucial for developing good technique and comfort at the instrument. Next, focus on understanding the musical structure. Identify the main melody line, which is usually played by your right hand, and practice it slowly until it feels comfortable. Then, learn the basic chord progressions that provide harmony, often played by your left hand. It is very helpful to practice each hand separately at a slow tempo, ensuring accuracy and fluidity before attempting to combine them. This builds a solid foundation. Now, let's add rhythm and expression to your playing. Pay close attention to the time signature and strive to maintain a consistent tempo throughout the piece. Experiment with dynamics, playing some sections softly, or piano, and others loudly or forte, to add emotional depth. Also, learn to use the sustain pedal effectively to connect notes smoothly and create a richer, more resonant sound. These elements bring the music to life. Finally, consistent practice is key to mastering Alchemy. When you encounter difficult sections, break them down into smaller, manageable phrases and practice them repeatedly until they become smooth. Aim to practice for at least 20 minutes every day to build muscle memory and improve your technique. Additionally, listen to recordings of the piece to gain inspiration, understand the overall flow, and refine your timing. Enjoy the process of learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.